Now I'm going to, let's have a look. Hello. Wow, it looks so cool. I never ever get tired of it. So awesome. All right, so now we're going to make some ticks along here. So tick, 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 some tick marks. And then we're going to add our text. So we want some dashes to indicate 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, all that kind of stuff. So the way I solve this, let's look at our project structure. I created a new node called ticks, and it's a class that allows us to create both horizontal and vertical ticks of any size that we want. So I'm going to create a new file, ticks.py, and we're going to build that. Okay, now we've got that. Hopefully no errors, but there always are. We want to open up our main, not our makefile, our main, and we want to import that. Import our ticks, and then underneath our backgrounds, okay, let's give that a whirl. Yep, first error. Here, it should be int, not init. If you caught that, you're a legend. Try again. There we go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those ticks are they're exactly 1 second apart, because we're running at 60 frames per second, and our gap is 60. So it basically means 60 pixels, and we're moving across at 1 pixel per second. So if there's a tick at every 60 pixels, that means there's a tick at every 1 second. So that's what that means. Now, if we change the speed, of this later, which we will, we're going to have to adjust our ticks as well. So keep that in mind, but we're going to give them a much better color. Nice. And we're also going to add intermediary ticks. So we're going to add ticks that are in between as well, just to make it look a little bit more aesthetically pleasing than that. So we're going to take our 1 second ticks, and we're going to stick them underneath. So they're going to have to go first. Here we're going to go 1/10 of a second ticks. And it's going to be largely the same, except the height of it is going to be 15 instead. The color is going to be a little bit, just a tad darker, and the gap is going to be 6 instead of 60. And let's take a look at that. There we go. Now that looks really awesome. I really like this. Like, this looks great. So the next thing we want to do is we want to add some text. So we want to add, 1 second, like 1s, 2s, 3s, 1 second, intervals every second, text indicating the number of seconds at every time point. And this fits perfectly in here. You can see this fits snugly. This was, there's no accident. I picked all of these numbers so that it would fit, very, very nicely in here. But yeah, next thing we're going to do, we're going to add some text. Now,